Hello, everyone, and a very good evening to all of you. I welcome all of you on this amazing platform of Inverse Trigonometry, guys. And today it's going to be the last lecture on Inverse Trigonometry. I know this has been a really great series, and guys, this topic is obviously very important for your JEE, and it was slightly difficult, if I may say so, depending upon the other. If you look into the other topics, it was slightly difficult. Hello, Priya Vrata, how are you? Das, how are you? Okay, so guys, it is absolutely amazing, this series, and I personally love this topic. And I obviously, guys, if you look into the basics of them, only the questions were asked from domain and range, and there only you will be. Also, guys, this also marks the beginning of the rank booster series which I am starting. So, guys, we will be discussing a lot of rank booster problems for every topic from now on. That will be obviously will be tomorrow. It will be on parabola, okay. And in the coming week, I will be discussing the rank booster problems on sequences and series on the revision day. So, guys, let's boost our rank and let's do some extraordinary problems after reading the whole topic. So that will obviously, guys, increase our rank and it will be absolutely amazing. I'm absolutely fine. I hope everyone is doing well, guys. So without wasting any time, let me introduce myself to the new students. So this is Abhinav Jha, BTech NID Nagpur, and I've got around 4 years of teaching experience. I've mentored quite a few top ranks in mains and advanced in the past, also this year, and really proud of that. And I, guys, obviously I hold a rank of AIR 698 in GATE. Moreover, guys, I have also cracked JEE Mains and advanced in 2012 myself. Going forward, guys, you can plan the Unacademy Plus subscription very easily. What you need to do is you need to go in the obviously a platform, and guys, in that you have to watch out for live classes. You can obviously get along with the live interaction with the educator. You can have live polls, leaderboard, test series, and the most important thing, that is the doubt clearing sessions. That's what you will be getting on this platform, everyone. So please take the plus subscription, because guys, this investment is going to last long and it will be the best investment of our whole life, because here you're getting the best of the country's faculty on a very nominal price. So guys, let's see how we can grab this amazing opportunity. You have to go to the app, you have to install this amazing app, Unacademy's learning app. This will also be unlocking the free feature of this, where you will be able to do the live classes, you'll be able to do the combat, you'll be able to do a lot of amazing stuff out there. Okay, so that is going to be really important. Moreover, guys, what you need to do is you need to go to the IDJ section in the My Goals section. In that, you have to, guys, click on plus. Then you can get on with the plus subscription, which will be very beneficial. Okay, guys, so moreover, what you can do is you can obviously use up the code of AJ Life. This code will be really important. You can apply that. And guys, this will be obviously very important if you are planning to do this amazing thing. So guys, this will be costing you 6 months, that is 25.2 and 34.6 and 50.4 for 12 months and 24 months respectively, which comes out to be, guys, around 2.1 and 2.8 per month for 1 year and 2 years, which is pretty nominal, very nominal, guys. And I'm telling you from the experience, guys, this is one of the most cheapest scene which you'll be getting online, because, guys, firstly, this is obviously, guys, here you are getting amazing content, DPPs, doubt clearing sessions, one-on-one interaction with the faculty, and it's absolutely amazing. You can choose your faculties. This price is totally whatever it is, it's absolutely very nominal. Moreover, guys, if you want iconic obviously, guys, gives you a personal coach. There'll be IDJ workshops, study planner, test analysis, expert guidance. Everything will be there. You'll be getting a personal coach who will be guiding you, who will be obviously telling you weekly that what and where you are standing. And guys, this is going to be a thing which every student will love. He wants proper guidance weekly, and guys, obviously you will be getting daily basis few of the inputs from the amazing faculty. Okay, so guys, this prize is for them. Okay, you can definitely use the code AJ Live, guys. That's the code which you have to apply in order to take this amazing subject. Fine. Also, guys, you can join this amazing Telegram channel where you'll be getting the updates of our classes on regular basis. Don't miss out on that. Moreover, guys, Abhinav SC is the code which you have to use for taking the plus subscription. Okay, Abhinav SC is the code, guys. Just go for it without wasting any more time. And guys, Unacademy Plus, you will be awaited over there. Also, you can unlock the free class thing on the app. So guys, if you're a new student, if you're downloading the app for the first time, use the code AJ Live to download the app, guys. After that, you'll be having to put a code. Okay, in that you can attend these special classes over there if you use this. And guys, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, these are my classes at 8 p.m. on the Unacademy's Plus app. Okay, that'll be obviously, guys, totally free. So please download the Unacademy's learning app in order to watch these free sessions and free quizzes. Moreover, this will be my timing, guys. Now, regularly, please come on to this time, and it will be Monday and Thursday for 2021. And guys, 5:30 p.m. will be the timing. Moreover, guys, JEE 2022, it will be Tuesdays and Fridays. 5:30 p.m. is the timing. Topic which will be covered here will be conic sections like parabola. We will be completing tomorrow. Then we'll be going ahead with what? Ellipse and hyperbola. Moreover, guys, here today we'll be wrapping up inverse trigonometry and we'll be starting matrices and determinants. Okay, so very important topic coming up, guys. Obviously here as well as here. So guys, stay tuned this month. We're going to definitely do extremely well. Moreover, at every Tuesday 7 p.m. we have a quiz. So guys, tomorrow we have a quiz on, guess what? Parabola. Okay, so guys, parabola quiz will be there tomorrow at 7 p.m. guys. Just after the lecture on parabola, we'll be doing some rank booster problems, and then guys, we'll be taking the Unacademy quiz. Moreover, every Saturday, guys, you can come on for the revision 5:30 p.m. and that will be a great gesture side. Very important, right? Revision is really important in our preparation. Moreover, you can catch me on the channel of Mathemagicians on these very timings. Okay, there you can learn everything in Hindi for free. Great channel launched Academy, guys. So do subscribe to this channel also. Academy Math. The class timing is 5:30 p.m. Okay, there will be quiz at 7 on Thursday. Moreover, guys, integral calculus course is going on. Okay, on the Plus platform. So you all are invited over there. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Please come on to this platform on 25th of November. Okay, from November this has started, so you can join ASAP. Don't miss out, guys, on this amazing course. Also, your very important team, guys, one of the best teams of the country, Bansal classes is there on Plus now. So you can, guys, come along and take your preparation to a different level altogether. ITJE 2023 it is. Okay, so Spark batch is starting. So all of you are invited. Amazing faculties are there. You can obviously learn from them. ITJE 3. Moreover, guys, going forward, obviously, guys, revision series is starting. Okay, so this revision series will be starting. Obviously, this week we will be taking like nothing to mention about that. Obviously, guys, we will be taking very important topic called sequences and series. So, guys, there'll be an amazing experience over there. So please come on the platform at 5:30 on Saturday for revising and doing some rank booster problems related to sequence and series. Going forward, guys, my plus courses are running frequently, so you guys all are invited on this amazing platform. Differential calculus, integral calculus, vectors, 3D inverse, matrices, determinants, and all these topics like trigonometry, algebra, and conic sections, everything will be covered. Whether you are in 21 or 22, everything will be done in detail, guys. So please join this amazing. Okay, chalo guys, let's solve some amazing rank booster problems on inverse trigonometry. Mathemagicians, that is totally in Hindi. As I told you, that Wednesday and Sunday 5:30. Okay, that's the timing. Totally in Hindi. If you want to learn, Kunal, you can come over there. Also Thursdays there will be a quiz at 7 p.m. Okay, on this platform of mathematics. Okay, this is the timing for Mathemagicians. You can obviously download the PDF after the class, guys. You'll be getting. This is on Mathemagician. Okay. So guys, first question in your screen. Let's see how many of you can get this one. So we have obviously box of x denotes the greatest integer function, and f of x is this. Okay, sec inverse 1 plus cos square x ka box. Okay, then the range of the function will be what? Very good question. So starting from the very basic question, guys, these are the questions which are repetitively asked in mains and advanced. So guys, everyone be prepared for this. Let's see how we can do this. So guys, just look into the inside part of the box. What we have is 1 plus cos square x, right? Everyone knows that cos square x lies between what? 0 and 1. Don't we know that? Definitely know this, right? Cos square x lies between 0 and 1. Okay. Yeah, because it's cos x lies between -1 and 1. Its square will be between 0 and 1 for sure. Okay, now guys, if we just add 1 to this, what are we getting? 1 plus cos square x will be lying between what? 2 and 0. 2 and 1, right? If you just add 1 to this. Clear? Okay, so inside part we have what? Actually, we have something like between sec inverse what? 0 to 1, right? Sorry, 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Okay? 1 से लेकर 2 तक we have in this bracket. Okay. So guys, when do you get sec inverse 1? What do you mean by sec inverse 1? And what will be the graph of it and how the inputs will be there? So guys, obviously this range will be what? Tell me. Can I say that if you have the box over here, that means it's a greatest integer, right? Any number, let's suppose this is alpha. So alpha is growing from 1 to 2. The box of alpha will be what? It can be either 1 or at 2 it can be what? 2 also, right? So it will fetch you only two values. That's it. It will fetch you what, guys? It will fetch you sec inverse 1, or it will fetch you what, guys? Sec inverse 2. That's it. That's what the possibility is, right? You won't get anything apart from that. Yes, amazing. So guys, what does this mean? This means that this we will be getting it as what, guys? Sec inverse 1 means what? 1 you can write as sec 0, right? So we are getting what? Sec inverse 1 is 0, and 2 you can write as what, guys? Sec pi by 3. Yes, sec pi by 3. So this will give you what, guys? Pi by 3. Correct? Only two values we are getting in the range, that is 0, or we can get pi by 3. That's the reason why, guys, two values bracket we will write. Obviously we have to put them in a set, so we'll get, guys, 0 comma pi by 3. That is the answer. Okay, amazing. Hello guys, let's move ahead and let's see some more problems. This, okay, we have got one more problem, guys. The number of real roots of this quadratic, it's not a quadratic to be precise, it's a quadratic in x square, you can say, right? So what we need is, we want the number of real roots. If it is lambda, then we will put the value of lambda here and calculate this value. Simple as it is, right? Nothing very weird about it. It's a pretty straightforward question, right? So let's solve this thing. Okay, so for the time being, I can write x square as y. Now, so what will happen, guys? This will be what? Y square plus y minus 2 equals to 0. To factorize this, guys, what are we getting? Are we getting y plus 2 into y minus 1, right? That's what I'll get. Sure. And we'll get y square minus y plus 2y, that will be y and minus 2, isn't it? Yes. So guys, now when you solve this thing, what do we get? We'll get y equals to 1, or y is equals to what, guys? Minus 2. What is y? Y is our x square. Y is what, guys? Our x square. X square equals to 1 or x square equals to minus 2. Guys, what will happen? Tell me. Can it be ever negative? No, this part is not possible at all. So we will get, guys, because square can never be negative. That's the reason why we'll get x equals to plus minus 1. From here only, that is the answer. We've got two roots. That means lambda is 2, my dear. That is it. So guys, now let's get this value, greatest integer of 1 by, so what they are asking is cos inverse box of cos inverse 1 by lambda, that is 1 by 2, right? What is cos inverse 1 by 2? So guys, we'll get box of cos inverse 1 by 2. When do you get 1 by 2, man? Tell me guys, everyone. 1 by 2 is coming as cos pi by 3. That is pi by 3. So the question is box of pi by 3 to be precise. Great. The question is what, guys? Box of pi by 3, which is 3.14 box. Is coming as 1 point something. And that will be what, guys? Box of 1 point something. I don't know what. So that will be what, guys? Tell me. Whatever it is, 1 point, you can have here 1.4 or maybe 1.04 like that. Yes, so what will be the box, everyone? Can I say it will be 1 only? Simple. Box is 1, that is the answer. Easy peasy. Okay, guys. So this was also a very basic question, guys. Let's move ahead. And they are asking these kind of questions in mains a lot. Hello, guys. Let's look into our third problem. Everyone, please try this one out. Let's see how good you are in this. Come on, everyone. Let's see how many of you can do this. Come on, everyone. Easy question once again, but little bit logical and little bit tricky. That's it, nothing else. So what we'll do, guys, first let's solve this inequality, okay? And then we'll figure out what our x can be. Okay? So guys, if you just for a time being, if you just ask me, what I'll say is x can be what? In 1 and minus. X square also between 1 and minus 1, right? X also between 1 and minus 1. And x cube also between 1 and minus 1, right? So these are the conditions, right? Everything between will be what? Tell me, guys. So on. X power 10 will also be between 1 and minus 1, right? If you want to write down this equation, that is very, very important. Okay. So let's see what can be the possibility. So let's solve this. Let's get this quadratic out here and let's try to solve this. So what is the quadratic, guys? We have x into 3 minus x is greater than or equal to 2. So when I flip that thing that side, what I will get is I'll get x square. We'll go that side. 3x is there, that will be minus 3x. Plus 2 will be less than or equal to 0. What are we getting? X minus 2 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Right? Now what we'll get is we'll get 1 plus minus. That means x belongs to what, guys? 1 to 2. Okay. Okay. So guys, see here. You only tell me. They are saying x belongs to 1 to 2. This guy is saying x belongs to 1 to 2. This guy is saying what? X square can be there, here. And it cannot be more than 2, right? More than 1, right? That means it won't be defined. So what is the agreement? What will be the agreement between this guy and this guy? This is saying x should be between 1 and minus 1. Everyone will say that. Obviously, everyone, this all will be satisfied if your x is between minus 1 and 1, right? All will be agreed. Everyone will be happy. But here this guy is happy between 1 and 2. So how you can combine both of them and keep both happy? When x is 1, that's it. That's only one point of intersection, right? Like you can draw on the number line also. Let's suppose, guys, on the number line, I have something like minus 1 in minus, and one guy is saying I am more than 1 and in 2. What will be the point of agreement? Only one point of agreement, guys. That is this only. That's it. X equals to 1. Yes, so you have to put x as 1. That means from these two conditions we'll get x as 1. Understood? So without saying anything also it is saying so many things, right? That's the beauty of mathematics. Okay, so guys, from there we can definitely pick up what, guys, we can put x as 1 in all the formulas, in all the values to be precise. We'll get sine inverse 1 plus sine inverse 1 plus sine inverse 1 and so on till sine inverse. So how many times sine inverse 1 is written, guys? Can I say 10 times sine inverse 1? What is sine inverse of 1? Pi by 2. 10 times of pi by 5. Got it, everyone? I hope everyone understood this amazing question. Guys, these kind of questions they are asking a lot. Have to be very good with your domain and range. If you're not good with your domain and range, these topics will feel like huge topics and very, very difficult topics because you are just not able to understand the domain and range. If your domain and range is going good, so these topics will obviously going very. Okay, guys, try this one out. Okay, guys, let's see how many of you can get this one correct. Come on, everyone. Sine inverse. We have done so many questions like this, guys. Sine inverse 3, sine inverse of sine 3, sine inverse of sine 4, sine inverse of sine 5, and so on. How will we get it? Tell me. Come on, guys. Guys, sine inverse of sine 3. I've told you guys these values will be between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, right? No doubt about it. They cannot have any other value apart from it. Can they? Never. They can never have a value which will be more than more than pi by 2 or less than minus pi by 2, right? We all know that sine inverse something is always between 1.57 to minus 1.57. I've already told you this time and again, right? So same ways, guys, you cannot cancel this and write 3, 4, 5. That will be blunder. And that will give you guys 12, which is absolutely wrong. What we'll do, guys, we'll try to manipulate inside, right? Can I write sine inverse 3 as sine inverse sine pi minus 3? Why I wrote it? Because, guys, we know that pi minus 3 is what? 3.14 minus 3, which is nothing but 0.14, which is the favorite region, favorite food of sine inverse. So this will be correct. Okay, that is correct. So this will become what, guys? I am writing this thing as this. What will be this? It will cancel and become pi minus 3. Understood? Which is correct, which is in the region. So that is a thumbs up. Okay, what about sine inverse sine 4? So you can still apply this logic. You can write sine theta as sine pi minus theta because it is in the second quadrant. Same only. Right. We can write it as what, guys? Sine inverse sine pi minus 4. So sine inverse and sine will cancel. We will get what, guys? We get pi minus 4. We can check also pi minus 4 means what? 3.14 minus 4, which is coming at minus 0.86, which is fine. Which is in the favorite region, which is fine. So unique value, that is the correct answer. Now, what about sine inverse sine 5? Okay. So now our focus is sine inverse sine 5. What will it be? So guys, if you look at it carefully, can I write pi minus 5? Pi minus 5, if you just see 3.14 minus 5, it is coming as 1.86. Not correct. We shouldn't have. We cannot have. We have this thing, then it will be going beyond the region, right? Yes. Is less than 1 point minus 1.57. So that we can have. To try 2 pi minus 5, will that work? It is coming as 6.28 minus 5 with this. But can we write sine? We know that sine pi minus theta is what? Minus sine theta. That means sine theta can be written as minus of sine 2 pi minus theta. Are you getting the plot, everyone? We've done so many questions like this. So I guess everyone would be like pretty familiar with this. So guys, it will be what? Sine inverse sine 2 pi minus 5. So minus, I am writing it here. Sine inverse, I'm writing it as minus sine 2 pi minus 5. Are you getting the point we're trying to achieve? It's pretty important. So guys, you all know that sine inverse of minus x is minus sine inverse x. I have proved that thing quite a bit of now. The graph you can very well see. Okay, odd function minus x is correct. So guys, what we will do is we will write this as what? Minus of sine inverse sine 2 pi minus 5. So guys, minus is there. Sine inverse sine will cancel. We'll get 2 pi minus 5. We'll write it as 5 minus 2 pi. What we'll write it as, guys? 5 minus 2 pi, which is absolutely ecstatic, right? Understood, guys? What an important question it is. This is very, very important. You have to understand, first of all, it should be in the region. Then you have to use proper properties of sine and sine inverse, and then only you will be able to master these things. Initially, if you're doing, you might face a lot of issues, but guys, going ahead, I think so you will not have any problem. Now guys, just add 1, 2 and 3, all those things. What are we getting, guys? Pi minus 3 plus pi minus 4 plus 5 minus 2 pi. The last one was 5 minus 2 pi, not 2 pi minus 5. So you can see here, guys, 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi will be gone, right? Pi and pi, 2 pi and minus 2 pi gone. 5 minus 7, what is it? Minus 2. Okay, guys, everyone watching, guys, please hit a like. That will be a great gesture from your side in our great journey of obviously providing education. Guys, obviously, definitely do not forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. Moreover, guys, do not forget to obviously, guys, like the video. Great gesture. Please add that. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. Try this one. This is also very good questions. We've done so many like this. That'll be amazing if you guys just on with it and all this. Guys, think about this thing. What was something like here? Whenever you see 1 plus, your mind should go to this tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Think that this is x, this is y, or this is, yeah, or this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y, x, y. Can we write it like that? Why not? Can't we write 1 as 2 minus 1? Can't we write this as 3 minus 2? Can't we write this as n minus 1? Right or not, everyone? Yes, we can, guys. And so guys, now what you need to do is you need to just apply this is tan inverse x minus y. I'll just write it down like that. We'll get what, guys? Tan inverse 2 minus 1 upon 1 plus 2 into 1. Then tan inverse 3 minus 2 upon 1 plus 3. Then tan inverse 4 minus 3 upon 1 plus 4 into 3, and so on till tan inverse n minus 1. Right? Top pe 1 hi aayega, right? 1 will only come, no issues apart from that. So guys, what are we getting to be precise? Tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, and so on. So what are we getting, guys? If you look into this, we are getting tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1, that is tan inverse x minus tan y formula. 8. Is this formula of this is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. This is the formula what you have to look into. Great. Now, tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. Then here what you'll get, guys? Tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse. Then what we are getting, guys? We are getting tan inverse 4 minus tan inverse 3, and so on till tan inverse n minus tan inverse n. And before it would have been tan inverse n minus 1 minus tan inverse n minus 2. Hello Shivansh, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Okay guys, so what is happening? You can see over here tan inverse 2 and tan inverse 2 will cancel. tan inverse 3 and tan inverse 3 will cancel. Similarly, tan inverse 4 will be cancelled next. And then guys, tan inverse n minus 1 will be cancelled. So what are we getting guys? We are getting simply, no issues Shivansh, please continue. Okay, and don't forget that the timing is 5:30. So finally guys, what are we getting? Tan inverse n minus tan inverse 1. Again you can apply the formula tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, right? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse. What will be this guys? Tan inverse minus 1 plus. Okay guys, that is the answer, and you can see over here we've done so. I think so we did last time quite a few questions on this. D. Great. Fine. Done. Everyone watching guys, please do hit a like. That will be great gesture from the side in order to support our hard for you guys daily basis. Please you do that. Try this guys quickly. Come on everyone. How do we solve this kind of question? That is very important. How do we proceed to be precise? It's a very good quadratic question. Obviously, get into a quadratic maybe. So, guys, obviously, what we need to do is we need to just look into the concept. Guys, cot inverse, we want to convert everything into one trigonometric function. That will be the best. Is in one trigonometric function, that will be the best. And obviously, guys, you have to look into the domain and range, right? First of all, let's see the domain and let's constrain ourselves to that. Obviously, tan inverse ka domain is what? All real. So he will say x belongs to R. Cot inverse also will say what? X belongs to R. Right? It has no issues. These two guys have no issues. They can take anything. Okay. For cos inverse, we know that 2 minus x has to be between 1 and minus 1, right? Then only it will be coming in our domain, right? So what will happen, guys? What about x and y? If you just subtract 2 from that, we'll get minus x is between subtract 2 minus 1 minus 3. That means x is between 3 and 1. Okay? So it will accept only when the values are between 3 and 1, correct? Isn't it everyone? Yes. So cos inverse will be happy to come only when the values are guys between what? 3 and 1, right? That is very, very important to first of all understand the domain. If you understood the domain, then only guys the things will work out. Fine. So just keep that in your mind that okay, the answer coming up should be between 1 and 3. So you can see over here, guys, obviously this part will be obviously you can reject, right? This option will be wrong. And like that, you can eliminate a lot of options. So now going ahead, can I write guys cot inverse x as tan inverse 1 by x? Yes. What will happen guys? Tan inverse 1 by x equals to cos inverse. Now guys, I'll apply tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula which I just used in the previous problem. And we got tan inverse x minus y on 1 plus xy equals to cos inverse minus x. X gone. What are we getting guys? We'll be getting, if you take the LCM, tan inverse x square minus 1 upon 2x equals to cos inverse, right? Okay. So guys, better if both hand sides are what? A same trigonometric function, right? Here, which is looking easily convertible, I think so this one, right? I can see a Pythagorean triplet over here. You are not wrong. If you've practiced much, you will obviously, guys, identify these things pretty easily. So guys, if you just put the LHS, let's suppose if you put LHS, what is that? Tan inverse x square minus, this is the procedure, guys, I'm just doing from the basics so that everyone understands. We put this as theta. So what will happen, guys? X square minus 1 upon 2x will be tan theta. No doubt. Absolutely. So guys, perpendicular upon base, right? That means this is x square minus 1 and this is 2x. Can anyone tell me the hypotenuse? Guys, what is the hypotenuse? Let's suppose this is h. So we can say h square will be nothing but what? A square, that is what? Square minus 1 ka whole square plus this square, 4x square. When you open this up, guys, we'll get x power 4 plus 1 minus 2x square plus, can I say plus 2x square? Oh my god, that is actually x square plus 1 ka whole square. So hypotenuse is what, guys? X square plus 1. Understood, guys? That's the best part. So when you identify the Pythagorean triplets, you can get these questions very easily, and that will not make any issues. But getting it, Shivansh? Okay, so guys, you can write this as, so guys, what will be the cos theta? Tell me. From this triangle, tell me cos theta. Tell me cos theta, that will be what? 2x upon x square plus 1. Thing is, guys, this is also theta. Theta. Whole thing is theta. We can write it as cos inverse 2x upon x square plus 1. Understood? That's why, guys, from there we can write that. That means we can write tan inverse. What was that? That was actually x square minus 1 by 2x. X square minus 1 by 2x can be written as cos inverse 2x upon x square plus, because both are theta, guys. Huh? From there, our equation will come out as, guys, why this was equal to that cos inverse 2 minus x. Now, finally, our equation will be, guys, nothing but cos inverse 2x upon x square plus 1 equals to cos inverse x. It is not a quadratic. It's coming out to be a cubic. Isn't it, guys? Now you can compare and get the angles. Get 2x upon x square plus 1. That will be x. Cross multiply 2x equals 4 square plus 2 minus 2 minus x cube and minus. What are we getting, guys? We are getting x cube. Okay, we are getting what, guys? Just let me know here. X cube plus 3x. Okay, we are getting a cubic, right? X cube minus 2x square. X minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. 0. Great. That's a cubic. And guys, we can easily see one factor. Can't we? What is that? 1. If you put it x as 1, it is satisfying. Great. So these kind of things you will keep getting in the question. We'll get x equal to 1 is a solution. We'll get x minus 1 is a factor. That's great. Now the others, how will you get? You know very well, x square you will put minus x square, you need 2. So you have to put minus x. Are you getting the point? Minus x square we need minus 2x square. Again minus x square plus x. So we need 2 more, right? So plus 2 x minus 2 automatic. Factorization, I guess every one root. Easily do it. That will give you, guys, x equals to 1 or x square minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Will it give you any real root, guys? Minus 1 plus minus under root b square? No. Right? Is not giving you any real root. This is not possible, guys. Its discriminant is less than 0. So only one answer which we are getting, and that is what? X equals to 1. So guys, only one singleton set we will have. So guys, x is simply 1. Okay, so x equals to 1. That means that is the answer. Simple 1. That is it. Over. Job done. Got it, guys? Otherwise, if we would have got 2 or more roots, then we could have obviously the other answers. But here, that is it. 1 is the answer. Guys, I hope you like this question. So similarly, we have one more question like how to proceed this kind of question. Have first trigonometry and a Let's see. Inverse and inverse are there, so we know very well. We can obviously, guys, go ahead and solve the problem by changing the trigonometric functions. But now, when we have a linearity, that is x equals to, hi S Pandey, how are you? When we have a inverse trigonometry, when we have a linear function, guys, how do we proceed? I think simple logic. It is always that. So guys, you have to be focused in these kind of problems. How to solve this? Whenever number of solution is asked, we have to think about graph. You know the graph, you can judge this. So how we can judge this? Let's see. See guys, what we can do is whenever we have two functions, how two functions? LHS you can write it as 3 cos inverse x. And RHS will be what guys? Pi x plus pi by 2. Hello Asho, you're a bit late. So guys, what will be the answer? Tell me. Come on. Cos inverse 3 cos inverse x minus pi by 2. How will we do it? How many solutions will be there? How to proceed, Osho? Tell me. So what I have done is I have done this LHS and RHS thing. Now what to do, guys? How would we solve this kind of? So we have an LHS, we have an RHS. So I've equated that. So guys, we know that whenever number of solutions is being asked, what we do precisely is, what should we do? We'll make graphs, right? We'll make graphs now. Can you make the left hand side graph? Absolutely. Why not? If you know cos inverse is like this, 3 cos inverse x will be no different. Only the points will change, right? Yes, this is the graph of cos inverse x, right, everyone? It lies between what? -1 and 1. So domain will be same. No doubt the domain will be same. Only the range will be thrice, triple, right? This point will be what? At -1, we'll get what? 3 cos inverse -1, 3 pi. Okay, it was between 0 and pi. This will be between 0 and 3 pi. Simple. This will be not pi by 2. This will be 3 pi by 2. As simple as you get it. Now, so this is the graph which we've drawn of LHS, of RHS. So guys, this is cos inverse 3 cos inverse x equals to, hello Osho, how are you? Okay guys, what is this? Pi x plus pi by 2. The line will be passing through what, guys? Tell me. When you put x as 0, it will be height will be what? Pi by 2. Right? When you put x as 1, the height will be 3 pi by 2. This is a line passing through, right? 1 comma 3 by 2. Just join. Okay, great. So guys, tell me, how many times is it cutting? How many times is it cutting, everyone? The graphs? Both the graphs are cutting at how many points? Single point of intersection. That is it. They will just meet once. One is a cos inverse x graph and one is a straight line, which is, see guys, if you put x as 1, you'll get 3 pi by 2, right? So that's why I've joined this point over here. There's a point called 1 comma 3 pi by 2. It might not necessarily pass through origin. Sorry, that is. Oh, great. Very good. Very good, Osho. Fantastic. It will be like this. Not passing through. Because when you put x as 0, you're getting pi by 2. More or less, whenever they intersect, they will intersect at a single. So that is it. So guys, one solution. 198 is a very good mark. And obviously aim more, out of 300. If you aim higher and higher every time now, definitely you will be getting the top ranks. Okay guys, so correct option is option B. Okay, so this is kind of very famous question. I think this was asked in advanced only. This was asked in advanced. I can only guide you, right? I can only tell you how to do. Rest, it's all your hard work, guys. Everything is related to here. We are there to help any regard. Follow me here. You can follow me on the app. Everything's available for you can come over here. You can upload your doubts. Everything is there, right? Definitely it will be. So total was 196, right? Okay, that's great. That's great. Wonderful. So you have done extremely well. Very obviously that's a very good marks to have around. Marks are around something. So guys, this was asked in I think so IIT 2008. How do we proceed, everyone? Okay, great. Yeah, you can get I think so out of 300. Surely you will be getting around 250, right? We will be around 250 marks, which is very good. So obviously 5% plus percent. I don't know. Our hard work is very less compared to you. Rest all it depends on guide you. Okay? So guys, let's see how do we proceed from here. See guys, we can convert this cot inverse into sine inverse and cos inverse, right? What I'll do is I'll put this cot inverse as theta. Okay? You can put this what guys? Cot inverse x equals to theta. So we'll get what guys? X equals to cot theta, right? Guys, your x is cot theta. Is cot theta by 1. That means it is base by perpendicular, right? Base by perpendicular. Okay, so your hypotenuse will be what guys? Can I say base square plus 1, right? Root under x square plus 1. Okay. Now guys, from here, can you tell me the sine and cos thetas? Sine theta will be what? Perpendicular, that is root of x square plus. Cos theta will be what? Base, that is x upon under root of x. That's it. Now guys, just substitute these values over here. So cos, this can be also written as what guys? See, all are theta. Are you getting it? So you can say that theta will be nothing but what? Cot inverse x. You can also write it as sine inverse 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. You can also write it as what guys? Cos inverse x upon under root 1 plus x square. Right? Yes. So guys, here when you put it over there, what will happen? What will happen guys? Tell me. X, this will be what? Cos of, you can put it as cos inverse 2x upon under root 1 plus x square. And this you can write as sine inverse, to be smart, sine inverse 1 upon under root 1 plus x square, right? Yes. Why we are doing that? Because cos and cos inverse is cancelled. You don't have to really think about it also, because I've already told you cos of cos inverse x is always x. No doubt, is always x. Okay, so what will happen? This will be what? Root over 1 plus x square into x into this. Cos and cos inverse will cancel, x into 2x, right? So what are we getting guys? Sorry, not 2x, it's x only, sorry. X. And so what are we getting guys? X into x upon, right? That cos and cos inverse will cancel. And then what will be getting guys? 1 upon under root 1 plus x square, right? And this whole square is there. if I'm not wrong, isn't it? Hello Rajesh, how are you? Yes, whole square minus 1 power half. Whole square minus 1 whole power half is there, right? On top of all of that. I'm absolutely fine. How are you, Rajesh? Great. Everyone watching, guys, please do hit a like. That will be a great gesture from your side. So root of 1 plus x square. Now what will happen is, guys, we'll get x square upon under root 1 plus x square. And this will be what, guys? Plus 1 upon under root 1 plus. So minus 1 whole power half. So when you do that, what are we getting, guys? Root of 1 plus x square. And here you will get what, guys? This you will take it as LCM x square plus 1 by root of 1 plus x square minus 1, right? This whole square, don't forget, this is a whole square over here, and this whole square, and then power half. Okay, guys, so now finally I think so we are getting it. So root over 1 plus x square is outside, that is of no use. Okay, this root and root will cancel, guys, and if you whole square it, you will be definitely getting, guys, square plus 1 minus 1 ka half. 1 and 1 cancels, root of x square x. Finally we're getting x into 1 plus x square. Okay, that will be the answer, x into root over. Got it? C is the correct answer, x into 1 plus x. This was asked in advanced 2008. Simple. Let's see how many we can do this one. Come on, everyone. Tell me, guys, how to proceed? Kind of question we've done so many times. So, guys, first you have to keep in mind that log base 2x is greater than 0, right? Log base 2x is greater than 0. Can I say, guys, this is the condition? So what will happen? You can take, I have told you guys, log base ax. If it is greater than 0, x will be greater than a power 0 only if a is more than 1. And this will become x is less than a power 0 if your base is between 0 and, right? Here, as the base is more than 1, that will happen, that will give you guys what? X will be more than 2 power 0. Implies x will be greater than or equal to 1. So that should be there in your head. Okay, na? That's very important. X should be more than 1. Apart from that, we will not take anything. Fine. Let's come back to the question. Now, guys, here we have just try to simplify this one by one. So what we have is sine inverse. What is this? 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now, guys, everyone knows we've done so many questions like this in the past. We know very well that we only need to put up what, guys? X equals to tan theta. Right? Then only this will be solvable, right? You have to put what, guys? X equals to tan theta. So how much are we getting? Sine inverse. And because 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is, everyone should know, guys, that is sine theta. So what, guys? Sine 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square. We sine inverse sine 2 theta, but then we will take a step back. We cannot cancel it straight away. Why can't we do that? Because 2 theta might not be in the favorite region, right? because we already know that sine inverse x is always between 0 and pi. Sorry, minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2, right? That I don't know cos, right? So guys, we'll see that whether it is there or not. X is tan theta, and we have already known that x should be more than 1. They have told that in the question. That means guys, tan theta should be more than 1, right? Tan theta being more than 1, guys, you all should know that it should be between pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now pi by 4 pit is 1, and more than till infinity it goes. That means guys, that means your x should be, so let me write it over here. That means your theta should be between what? Pi by 2 to pi by 4, right? Then only that will be valid. Okay, just remove this pi by 2 because tan can never have pi. Okay, great. Now guys, next, tell me, is it the favorite region currently? But we are not looking at that. We are looking at 2 theta. Okay, theta is going out of region. What next to look at? Pi minus 2, right? That we can get that thing sorted, right? Chalo, so let's multiply by minus. So we'll be having the flipping of the equality we'll have between minus this. Now guys, we'll add pi, right? If you add pi, what are we getting? Pi minus 2 theta will be what? Pi by 2 to 0. Amazing. Fine. This is what we are getting. Pi minus 2 theta to pi by 2. Is it in the favorite region? Yes, thumbs up region. It's the thumbs up region, guys. Because sine takes these things pretty easily, right? Between 0. So what we'll do is we'll just write down as sine inverse sine pi minus 2. So sine theta is same as sine pi minus 2 theta, and this will cancel because this is in the favorite food of tan inverse. You can cancel this straight away and write it as pi minus 2 theta. And what is your theta? Tan inverse x. So that's what we are getting. We're getting pi minus 2 tan inverse x. Okay guys, chalo. This is the answer. Now, what is it? Tell me. Next is this one. Tan inverse. So guys, it is pretty simple. You can cancel it out. Because see, the best part about tan inverse will be, here also you'll put, that is tan inverse x, right? Again, you'll put x equals to tan theta, no doubt. And we'll have what? Tan inverse tan theta. Now you will say, sir, can we cancel it? You have to check. What is x greater than 1? That means tan theta is greater than 1. That means theta is between pi by 2 to pi by 4. Is it the favorite region? Absolutely yes. We can cancel this straight away because it is in the favorite region. Tan ka favorite region is between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 only. It is absolutely there. So this you can write as theta undoubtedly. This will be what, guys? Tan inverse x. Okay. Actually, there was some 2, right? This will be tan inverse x only. No need to worry about it. It was written also like that only. No issues. No need to change and all everything. Okay. So that's what I was just showing you. This was in the favorite region. So no need to pay any attention to that. So this will be what? Simply, guys, if you look into this one, this came as pi minus tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x, or this is 2 tan inverse x. See how wonderful. Equation may it is x and all, but answer may no x, because this and all will cancel. That's the reason why, guys, I've taught you everything from the basics so that you guys don't have any issues. Finally, guys, only pi will be left. That means this whole answer pi. Question kya tha? Question is lambda is equal to what? Log of 1 by pi of pi. ये कितना होगा? That's the question. They're asking mod of lambda. So guys, you know very well base changing property. You can write it as log pi upon log 1 by pi, isn't it? But guys, log pi on minus log pi power minus 1. So this will be minus log pi. Okay, log pi cancel. Ye minus 1. Lambda is minus 1. Mod of lambda. Good one, but that's it. Here was the main catch. Here you have to understand that this will be written as pi minus 2 tan inverse x because your x is more than 1. That was a trick. Okay, so small things, but you have to keep in mind. No need to mug up the formulas, guys. I've told you everything from the basics. Chalo. Okay, next question, guys. I have the next question in front of us. Set of values of lambda for which this condition holds belongs to R. It itself is a very good statement that X is R. That means the real roots. So, guys, a quadratic X they are saying belonging to R. What we can guess from there? Set of all X satisfying. Okay, if it would have been equal to 0, then we would have told, okay, real roots are. Now this is a quadratic which is greater than 0. When you see that, guys, I have obviously given you time and again this concept platform. Whenever we see ax is than 0, the parabola facing upwards, है ना? एक parabola facing upwards है, right? Because obviously it is totally above. That is only possible. That means no real roots, right? Equal to 0 pe we might have got some real roots, but it is greater than 0. That means no real roots. That means implies discriminant less than 0. Also, one more thing I had told you that if it is ax square plus bx plus c, यहाँ पे एक और चीज आता है guys, a should be also greater. Here what we get is like this. That's a parabola totally facing downwards, है ना? Or discriminant to less than 0 होगा ही because there's no real roots, not cutting the x-axis, not cutting the x-axis. That is the very basic thing. Every year, JEE Main, you get at least one question, whether that be advanced or mains, no doubt about it, one question from this concept. Quadratic ka ye concept is the most famous and mostly used in probability, calculus, then you can see trigonometry, then you can see matrices, conic sections, what not. This quadratic equation has been used everywhere, but this concept is the most favorite of the teachers who like put up the paper, right? So definitely you have to keep in mind. And also, guys, I've already told you sine inverse sine 4. We did it in the ये कितना आता है guys? You write it as sine inverse sine pi minus 4, है ना? Because 4 is not in the favorite region. 4 is more than pi by 2. So we'll write it as what, guys? Yeah. Yeah. So guys, let's write it on that and let's get on with the equation. So what will be the equation, guys? Equation will be pretty straightforward, I guess. Pretty straightforward equation we'll be having. Write it down. Is it x square minus lambda x plus pi minus 4. Ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0. That means, guys, what we can say is a greater than 0. वो तो already दिख रहा है, no doubt. 1 is more than 0. Okay, discriminant should be less than 0, right? Discriminant should be less than 0. So let's apply that. All right, guys. Minus lambda square minus 4ac 4a less than 0. What we'll get, guys? We'll get lambda square is less than 4 into pi minus 4. We need the lambda, right? Answer mein we need lambda, right? So there also we can get a hint. We are looking for lambda. Okay, guys, just a minute, just a minute. What is pi minus 4? 3.14 minus 4. Can I say, guys, 4 into minus 0.86? Okay. Okay. Can you get me any lambda जिसका square negative हो? No, guys. How can you get that? That's not possible at all. So, guys, that will obviously give you what? Tell me. That means obviously your lambda is belonging to null set. No value will exist, which will give you negative. Understood, guys? So that is the answer. No lambda exists like that. This kind of tricky problems they're asking a lot of number times in your JEE. You need to have simple concept. What did we use anything extraordinary? Did we do anything extraordinary? No. We use simple concepts, just arrange them. We used simple inverse trigonometry concept and then we've solved. Okay, guys, so this is how they're framing the questions in JEE. Please make sure that you note down all these amazing problems. Next problem. Okay, Let's see this one, everyone. Let's see how many of you can do this one correct, guys. It's also one of the best questions. Hi Sita, how are you? Guys, everyone who are in 12th, Hannah. So guys, please make sure you are regular. Please, please, please. Don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out on these lectures. Okay? Because we are going to do revision, we are going to do inverse trigonometry. Now, next Thursday onwards, we are starting matrices and determinants. So, very important topic coming up, guys. So, please don't miss out. Okay? The classes are, if you're a new student on this platform, so guys, if you're in 12th writing 2021 JEE, the classes will be on Mondays and Thursdays. Okay, we are doing matrices and determinants in the next class. Okay, timing is what? 5:30. Okay, 5:30 p.m. Monday and Thursday. Then for JEE 2022, 11th students, whoever is watching, Tuesdays and Wednesday. Okay, same 5 Tuesdays and Fridays. Sorry, Tuesdays and Fridays. And the guys' timing is 5:30 once again. Okay, everyone invited at this platform. You can learn a lot. We are doing parabola currently. We are doing revision of the end. Every weekend we are doing revision. So guys, if you are obviously related to JEE, guys, please come over here. Do not forget to like the session, guys. It will be a great gesture from your side. You know, it will be great help for our team who are working hard for you guys daily basis. Okay. So guys, obviously this is sec inverse x whole square. Sorry guys, just missed out over here. One second. So this is sec inverse x the whole square. Make sure. Okay. One second, guys. Just make a change, guys. It's a quadratic. This is sec inverse x ka whole square. Okay. So guys, if you just look into this one, what will happen is sec inverse x ko if you put as some t for the time being. Okay. Put it as some t for the time being. You'll get t square minus 60, right? T square minus 60 plus 8. Okay, plus 8 and it is greater than 0, right? That's the question here over here, guys. Okay, now do you know to factorize this? Everyone would know. So guys, we'll get what? T minus product is 8, 4 and 2, right? T minus 2 into T minus 4. Absolutely greater than 0. Wavy curve sabko aata hi hoga, guys. Everyone, come on, don't tell me you know, don't know this. If not, please watch out my basic math lectures on this very platform, everyone. Okay, plus minus plus. Okay, guys. So T belongs to 2 to 4. 2 to 4, guys. For less than 0. Okay, for less than 0. But for greater than 0, T will belong to what, guys? Come on. So T will be what, guys? Either less than 2 or T is what? Greater than 4. What is T? Sec inverse x. Less than 2 or sec inverse x less greater than 4. Okay. Just let's try to analyze this part, guys. Can your range, the range of sec inverse x, guys? Sec inverse x belongs to 0 to pi, except pi by 2, right? Everyone, yes or no? Do you guys know this or not? I've told you or not? 0 to pi. Sec, cos, and cot are same kind of thing, right? So let me draw the graph and show you guys. It will be useful here. Hello guys, first day, guys. Remember the first day. Bharadwaj. Very important lecture going on. Very important lecture going on. So guys, everyone, please pay attention. Okay. So guys, wherever you are, please concentrate from now on. Okay. Because this is very important concept I'm telling about. So guys, this is the graph of sec inverse. Okay, guys. If you look into this one, Probability just after matrix determinant theta might be taking you maybe 2 weeks. Okay, last week of this month we will be starting probability. Fine. So guys, this is the graph of sec inverse x, right? Because sec inverse -1 is pi and sec inverse 1 is what, guys? My sec inverse, sorry. Sec inverse 1 is what, guys? You can see here sec inverse, it goes from where 1 to infinity, right? This is between 0 and pi. This is 0, guys. No issues, no issues. Concentrate, everyone. Please do watch this lecture, guys, afterwards also. Do hit a like, everyone watching. Okay, Sita? Okay. Probability will be starting in the end of this month, right? Last week of this month we'll be doing. So guys, see here. This is x as 1. This is 0 to 3.14, right? This is going here and it will never touch pi by 2. So we want, guys, can I see from here that the graph is between 0 and pi? What is this graph? This graph is of sec inverse x. Okay. ये graph किसका है? Sec inverse x. So guys, can sec inverse x be more than 4 ever? Yes. Today we have 8 p.m. special class on rate change. Okay guys, so this is obviously not possible. Sec inverse can never be more than 4. Not possible, guys. Because it is between 0 and 3.14, not possible. Okay, so sec inverse less than 2. So what is x? That's the question. Chalo guys, let's see. Guys, if your sec inverse x is less than 2, so draw a graph like this. The graph y equal to sec inverse x is less than this. Okay, this less than. Guys, if this is 2, sec inverse x is 2. What is x? Sec 2. What, guys? Sec 2. It's a radian. Okay, 2 sec 2 radian. Great. So guys, what I am doing is, what will happen? Tell me. Guys, your x should be what? Tell me. It can be what? Can it be? Can I say that your x should go from here to here, guys, minus here infinity, right? This point it works. This point is working, right? It will not work over here. This is what x, guys? Tell me. This is the point over here. Everyone, are you getting the point? And this is 1, right? 1 to infinity. Everyone, please focus. What is the region here? This is sec 2. This is sec 2. It's not cutting this. It's cutting this. This point is sec 2. Isn't it, everyone? Yes. So what can your x be? Tell me. Your x can be what, guys? Here. This one will work. Or this one will work. And guys, then only the whole graph of the sec inverse x will be beneath 2. What an amazing question. Please, guys, basics is very important. That means, guys, if somebody says sec inverse x is less than 2, you will say x can be what? Either minus infinity to sec 2 union 1 to. What an amazing problem, guys. What an amazing problem. First of all, what we did, all calculated. Okay? We rejected this first part, right? Sec inverse x greater than 4, we rejected. Because you can see here, the range of sec inverse is between, guys, 0 to pi. Now, moreover, guys, one part here, you can see here, that it is obviously left hand side part will be there, right? Because I have drawn y equals to 2. I have drawn sec inverse x equals to 2. This is equal to 2 line, right? So I am seeing here, this will cut here. It won't cut this part. So here we will see that, okay, it should be more than 1. Okay, that will work. And like this. Great. Hello, guys. So that is the answer. Correct answer is, obviously you can put here equal to at 1. That would work. Okay, equal to at 1 will work, right? That's the correct answer, option E. See how many of you can do this. The common points of these two curves. Come on, everyone. The number of common points of these two. Very basic question, guys. They are asking common domain. See, guys. If you look at this guy, see, guys. Actually, we need to find the common domain of this, this, and this. Okay, because this has this thing. If this would have been added to this, obviously we would have looked into that. Sabka common chahiye, right? Wherever it will be. So, guys, everyone should know one thing, that sine inverse theta, if it is defined, that means theta is between 1 and minus. Sine inverse ka domain. So what about sine inverse 2x? Sine inverse 2x ka domain will be what, guys? 2x should be between 1 and minus. That means x should be what, guys? X should be what? Between half and minus half, right? X should be between what, guys? Half and minus half, to be precise. Great. Fantastic. Now, what about, guys, tan inverse 1 by 2x? We are discussing tan inverse 1. This is a little bit tricky. Yes. Guys, tan inverse 1 by box of 2x. 1 by box of 2x. ठीक है. So guys, tan inverse को कोई issue नहीं रहता है, right? Tan inverse is a pretty cool function. It takes everything, right? If you talk about simply tan inverse x, it takes x belongs to R. That's it, right? Okay, it takes everything. But here, यहाँ पे एक दिक्कत. What's the issue is, this denominator shouldn't be 0, right? Understood? The box can become 0, right? So that will make it not defined. So we don't want that. So when is the box of anything 0? When that number is between 0 and 1. So we don't want, x does not belong to this, right? We don't want this to happen, at least. So that means, guys, our x should not be between half, okay, and 0. Okay, so just remove this part, guys. Just remove this part smartly from this thing, that we'll get at least the domain of the first function, right? The question is pretty easy, but I want to tell you everything in detail. Okay, so guys, what will be the common of this one and this one? Can I say from there, I can say that x belongs to, it should not be this, x should not be this, but it should be this. It should not be this, right? Because in this will denominator will become 0, otherwise it's totally cool. Can I say x belongs to minus half to 0? 0 we should not take, because at 0 it will become not defined. Can I say this is correct? No. We should union it with 1 by 2. We can take 1 by 2. It is saying don't take 1, it is saying less than 1 by 2, right? So we can put 1 by 2, it will be correct. This will give us box of 1, which is thumbs up. So guys, curly braces 1 by 2. This is the actual domain of the first function. Okay, ye kiska hai, guys? This is the domain of this first function. Okay. Now let's calculate the domain of second function. It's pretty easy, guys. That's what I told you. The overall question is pretty easy. Okay. So, but I would just like to tell you these concepts. So this is why I have taken detail. So guys, again, cos inverse x or theta, for that theta should be between 1 and minus. So guys, can I say 2x plus 5 should be between 1 and minus 1? Absolutely. So guys, can I say 2x should be, if you look into this part, what is it, guys? Can I say subtract minus 5, what will you get? Minus 2 and minus 3, minus 6. Subtract, the 2x plus 5 should be between 1 and minus 1. You subtract 5, guys, subtract 5. What will get? 2x will be between minus 4 and minus 6. Can I say x should be between minus 2 and minus 3? Can you see anything common between this region and this region which we did? Nothing. 0. No common region. Are you getting my point? So this thing and this thing don't have anything in common, and that's the reason why, guys, the number of common points in the curves is 0. And what is common between something between minus 2 and minus 3 and something between minus half and 0? Nothing. Okay. Chalo guys, let's take one last problem, then we'll wrap up the session. This is the last problem, guys. Number of real solutions for this. That means they're asking the values of x. Number of values of x for this equation, guys. Just try to tell quickly. This is a single correct. Sorry, this is an integer type question asked in advanced. This kind of questions are asked many a times in JEE. So guys, you have to keep on practicing these things. So let's see. How can we proceed? So how do you think, guys, we should proceed to this kind of question? Guys, everyone watching, please catch me at 8 p.m. है ना? Just in 1 hour in the Unacademy's learning app. Free content. Use the code AJ Live to unlock your free content if you are watching this for the first time. And come over there, and guys, you can attend a lot of amazing quizzes on that podium. Okay, guys. So obviously we need real solutions, right? So they are asking real solution. That means if x is real, that means can I say discriminant greater than or equal to 0? Yes. So what will happen, guys? B square, right? This is your B. This is your A is 1. This is B. B is what? 2 times of this. Okay. 2 is also there included in that. Okay. And this is your C, right? AX square. Discriminant will be what, guys? 4. Okay. Sine square cos inverse y, right? B square minus 4AC. 4AC should be what? Greater than 0. 4 cancels. Can I say sine square cos inverse y should be greater than 1? Yes. So guys, sine of cos inverse y ka whole square should be more than 1. Cos inverse y is theta. So y is equals to cos theta. Cos theta is what? Base upon hypotenuse. This will be 1 upon 1 root 1 minus y square. Right? What will be the sine theta, guys? We can also write this cos inverse y. Okay. So what will be that? Under root of 1 minus y square, right? By 1. This is also, guys, you can write it as sine inverse of this. Okay. So what is cos inverse theta? I've already told you sine inverse under root 1 minus x square, right? Sine of, this will be what? Sine inverse under root 1 minus y square ka whole square greater than or equal to 1. Sine and sine inverse will cancel. We'll get under root of 1 minus y square whole square greater than 1. We'll get 1 minus y square greater than or equal to 1. We will get y minus y square greater than 0. See, amazing how amazing the question is framed. So you'll get what, guys? Y square less than or equal to 0, because when you multiply by negative, the inequality changes. That means, guys, your y is simply 0. Y square less than 0 means what? Which will satisfy? Tell me any y which will satisfy this. It's only 0 which will satisfy. So that's it. Y is 0, guys. Job done. Over. So guys, in this equation, you can put here y as 0. So we'll get what, guys? We will get x square plus 1 plus 2x cos inverse 0. Cos inverse 0. What is cos inverse 0? Cos inverse sine is also there. Don't forget. Sine is also there. So cos inverse 0 means what, guys? Cos pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0, right? Great. So what we'll get, guys? X square plus 1 and plus 2x. Cos inverse cos pi by 2 cancel. We'll get pi by 2. We'll get sine pi by 2, which is 1. It will be x plus 1 ka whole square equals to 0. We'll get x square. X plus 1 is nothing but 0. We'll get x as minus 1. One solution. Okay, guys. So for that, we did so many things. Okay, to make you understand quickly, we can get these things, guys. Just have to frame this discriminant kind of thing. You'll get the y value. That would be the answer. Okay. That is it, guys. This is an integer type problem asked in advanced. The answer will be 1. You have to fill here, guys. Number of solutions will be 1. That is the answer. I hope you guys understood this amazing question. I hope you guys like this session, guys. Please share it among your friends, whoever are preparing for JEE. Inverse trigonometry was a really good topic. I know that obviously, guys, there's not a good turnout for this, but guys, please share it with your friends. Don't run away from these hard topics. You have to grab them and you have to do it. And guys, that's how you get the good marks in this chapter. So please, everyone, I recommend this chapter to all of you, whoever is watching. Please watch out all the lectures, the 7, all of them, whatever I've did. Guys, you can do exceedingly well in this. Okay. Moreover, guys, going forward, you can install this amazing app from the Play Store. Please install this from this time from the app. And guys, obviously, you can search Unacademy's learning app and you can download it. Moreover, guys, you can go to the ITJ section. In that, click on Get Subscription on the Plus category. Then, guys, use the code of AJ Live. As soon as you use the code AJ Live, you will be have to using 25.2. It will be for 6 months, 34.6, 50.4. And then, guys, for iconic 34.2, 58.5, 90,000 for 2 years. So, guys, these are pretty nominal prices for 1 year, 6 months, and 2 years respectively. Okay, 6 months, 1 year, and 2 years respectively, which is pretty nominal. And guys, if you're preparing for JEE, this kind of thing, you can definitely invest if you're getting one of the best set of faculties from the country, and you can easily have it. Okay. Also, guys, please understand that you will be getting iconic subscription as a personal coach. Okay, you'll be getting workshops, study planner, expert guidance, test analysis, and everything on the amazing platform of Unacademy. Iconic platform, guys. Here you can choose your faculties, and here obviously, guys, you'll getting every kind of thing covered over here. Fine, don't forget to do that. Also, guys, Abhinav SC is also the code which you can use for taking the plus subscription. Do not forget to do that. Also, guys, catch me on the Unacademy Plus app for free. These amazing sessions will be for free on this platform, guys. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. These amazing sessions will be there at 8 p.m. Please unlock the free content on the Unacademy app using the code of AJ. Guys, this is totally free for all of you. Share this with your friends. Tell them that you're getting quality content for free on YouTube, on the Unacademy's learning app. And why not? Why not? We should use this thing, guys. Share it among your friends. Be absolutely ecstatic. Okay. Moreover, guys, JEE 2021 uh, series is there on this channel, JEE 2020. On this wonderful channel of, please subscribe, share these videos with your friends, like it, guys, because need your support, and because of that only we have reached. Guys, definitely, obviously, want to grow this family. Also, guys, matrices and determinants is obviously going to start from the next Thursday, guys. This Thursday, I'm going to come up with the first lecture on matrices and determinants. On obviously, guys, Tuesdays and Fridays, you can obviously watch my JEE 2022 series. Now we are taking conic sections. Guys, parabola is going on. Parabola will be done within one day, I think so. Yes, last lecture will be there. And then, guys, going ahead, we'll be starting ellipse. Okay, don't forget, guys, every Tuesday, that is tomorrow 7 p.m., guys, you have to tune in at 7 for amazing quiz. So, guys, tomorrow I'm taking parabola, guys, as we are wrapping up this chapter. So we are going to take parabola. Next week we will take definitely inverse trigonometry as well. Okay, also, guys, going forward, your revision series is readily going on. So I'm starting a revision and also, guys, rank booster kind of series. Okay, it's a revision rank booster series. So, guys, you can obviously revise your concepts, you can boost your rank, and you can solve some amazing problems on this every Saturday 5:30 it is, guys, where you have to tune in for those sessions. That will obviously be very beneficial. And, guys, going ahead every Saturday, if we do that, can obviously, guys, grasp each and everything. Fine. Moreover, guys, Mathematicians channel also you can catch me. This is the timing if you want to learn from me on Hindi. Want to learn from me in Hindi, so guys, definitely you can catch on the Mathematicians channel, और यहाँ पे भी आपको काफी मजा आएगा. Okay, so definitely, guys, if you want to learn everything from the basics, अगर आपको सब कुछ एकदम बेसिक से फाउंडेशन से सीखना है, तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप आ सकते हो। यहाँ पे अभी जस्ट एक नया सीरीज लॉन्च हुआ है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस का। सो आप लोग सभी लोग तहे दिल से इनवाइटेड हो मैथमेजिशियंस चैनल पे जो देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, और हमें चाहते हो कि हिंदी में भी पढ़ें, तो गाइस मैथमेजिशियंस पे जरूर आइएगा। 5:30 PM आपको आना है। और गाइस क्लासेस रहेंगे वेडनेसडे और संडे 5:30 PM। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन चल रहा है, उसके बाद सारे चैप्टर्स को हम लोग A to Z कवर करेंगे ऑन मैथमेजिशियन, ठीक है। Also guys, 7 PM you can join in the quiz also over there, okay, on Thursdays. If you are watching here or there, no matter what, quiz is quiz. You can join in there on Thursdays at 7 PM as well on that very channel. Do subscribe to this channel as well and share among your friends also. Also guys, my obviously amazing integral calculus course is currently running on the Unacademy's learning um, platform of the app, where you can watch this limited version content on Unacademy Plus. It's going to be an absolutely crackerjack of series, guys. Calculus, wonderful problems. The set of problems which we are taking on that platform is really high standard, and the kind of preparation which we are providing on Plus is just next level. Okay, guys. So definitely, if you are interested, Plus is something which I will refer to all of you, because guys, 25th of November this course has been launched, and I am seeing like a lot of students are coming here every day. The crowd is increasing for this amazing course which has been running. And guys, integration is something which is very important, right? If you are in any standard, integration is something which will be your foundation. So definitely don't miss out on this. Integration is the basic standard, and guys, this will give your rank. Obviously it will definitely boost your rank, guys. I definitely feel that integration was something which I really thrived on. You love this topic. That's what I'm coming over there. I'll just share you about my other courses as well. But also, guys, as I told you guys, Unacademy Plus is something where you are getting the best of the country's faculties. You can choose your faculties whom you want to learn from, whether that be in English or Hindi, whether be that anything, guys. So that's an amazing experience which you can get. Okay. Also, guys, Spark Patch IDJ 2023 is there. Okay. So guys, this is a batch which will be launched in 2000 and for the students who are preparing for 2023. You can share it with your juniors, whoever are there. Okay. The juniors would be definitely, guys, ecstatic about it. Okay. Guys, definitely come on to that platform, and obviously, guys, there are some best of the country's faculties which will be there. Okay. So definitely go along with it. Also, guys, going forward, please join the Unacademy Combat. Okay. Very soon, that will be very beneficial for all of you. Okay guys, and definitely going ahead, revision series is starting. So guys, don't forget that every 5:30 PM every Saturday you can come on this platform. Fine. Okay. Moreover, guys, these are the courses which I told you, which will be there on the Plus: differential calculus, integral calculus, vectors, 3D, inverse trigonometry, determinants, whatnot. Everything will be done. By also, guys, you will be getting another courses of amazing faculties on the Plus, which are Rahul sir, Rohit sir, amazing teachers, guys. Will be there like Murli sir. They are teaching in this batch, and you will be totally enjoying this. Okay, so do not forget to join this also, guys. है ना? So plus, and also all of you know the procedure, right? It's pretty easy, and I will be covering everything. There'll be doubt clearing sessions. There'll be obviously PPPs distributed, and guys, everything will be top notch. Thanks a lot, guys, for joining. Do not forget to share and like this video with your friends. That'll be a great help to our team who are working hard for you guys daily basis. Moreover, guys, AJ Live is the code which you have to use for taking the. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care, everyone. See you very soon on the Plus. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye.